Hi, I'm Ken and I'm designing sun-safe golf clothing. Here in Australia we have some of the highest skin cancer rates in the world. I recently got a sample in the post of UV sleeves that I designed. They're from a factory that makes cycling kits, so bibs and jerseys for cycling. The material they use is very good at wicking away moisture, as well as being sun protective. The detailing and the stitching and stuff that they use is a lot better than the UV sleeves that you'll pick up in like golf stores and stuff in Australia. And after testing them out quite a bit now, like we're in the autumn and it's still hot and there's still high UV, so I've been able to test them out quite a bit. Although I'm going to make some changes to the colour and the design, the construction and the material is really good. So I'm really happy with that. I think my design elements would be cool. They're like taking some stuff from cycling and some stuff from running brands that are getting popular at the minute. To show you some of the differences in material quality, or construction quality, the inner stitching on the sleeves that I've had made up it's flat seam. It's a flat lock seam, so meaning that where the stitch is, where the thread is it's stitched so it's flat. But typically what you'll find is in the ones that you buy in golf stores is that they're just done the cheap, quick way. Pretty bad. This brand hasn't even done anything with it. Like they haven't stitched it down or anything. But it leaves you with that extra fabric that is going to rub against your skin when you wear them. So that's one way that these ones are more comfortable, as well as the fabric being designed so that it wicks better than just wearing polyester. Even if they look a bit dorky, at least they beat skin cancer. I can't make these myself, but one thing I can do is make the bags. So rather than order plastic packaging, UV sleeves will typically come in plastic bags, which I thought I could one-up it. Ordering samples for prototyping clothing or accessories, you end up with a lot of sample fabric everywhere. So I thought I could use that sample fabric and make some bags. So that's what I've come up with, and make it so that the UV sleeves are easier to bring with you. So whether you attach them to the bag or your golf bag, or your car keys or whatever, it'll make it simpler to bring along instead of throwing out the plastic packaging that you could keep the bag. And I'll make them to the dimensions of like sunglasses as well. So if you wanted to use it for something else that you had in mind, that it'd be better than just throwing it out, and gives me a reason to sew and use some woven labels and stuff that I had made up. I had 3 sleeve designs made, and I think I'll take elements from each to create a final version to pair with an upcoming polo I'm working on. The idea is to just add some versatility when you're out in the heat playing golf. I'd love to know what you think. Would having sleeves like this clipped to your golf bag make you more likely to actually use them? Let me know, and thanks for watching.